If you love tuna sashimi, then you need to try this super easy marinated tuna Maguro Zuke Don. Not only is it mouth-watering, but it's extremely simple to make and requires barely any cooking. We're going to start by making a marinade, so add 3 tablespoons of mirin and 3 tablespoons of sake to a saucepan and let it boil for a minute. This is to burn off the alcohol. Once it's boiled, take it off the heat and add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Leave it to cool completely. It's winter here, so it only took a few minutes. Transfer it to a wide container and add 3 grams of kombu. This will add an amazing extra depth and umami. Then place between 150 to 200 grams of sashimi-grade tuna into the marinade. It's important that the marinade has completely cooled before you add the tuna because you don't want to accidentally cook it. I'm using a mixture of tuna sashimi end cuts, so that's why they're randomly shaped and different colors. The paler pieces are chutoro. The beauty of this dish is the fact that you can use cheaper cuts of tuna sashimi because the marinade is going to soften it, flavor it, and make it melt in your mouth. You can also use any sashimi grade fish or seafood you like. This marinade will work great with salmon too. Once all of the pieces are in, cover the surface with plastic wrap. This will help the marinade spread over the top, even if they're not completely submerged. Rest them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. I'm going to add some shiso leaves as a refreshing garnish, so cut off the stems, roll them up, and thinly slice them to get shredded shiso leaves like this. If you can't get shiso, you can just use chopped green onion instead. The marinating time is also the perfect time to cook some rice. If you want to know how, check out my how to cook Japanese rice video. Once it's done, place it in a bowl and arrange the marinated tuna on top. I like to sprinkle some sesame seeds. Then make a little nest with the shiso leaves so that I can place a raw egg yolk in the middle. Of course, this is optional, and if you don't like raw egg yolks, you can leave it out. If you want to add vegetables or something, I suggest serving it with miso soup or a side salad. It's just deliciously simple on its own. I also recommend adding a generous blob of wasabi. I forgot to add it while I was filming, but it was the first thing I did before I tucked in. Anyway, that's it. One of the easiest rice bowls you can make with delicious marinated tuna sashimi. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see the written recipe and more detailed explanations of tuna sashimi cuts, you can find it on my blog. The link is on the screen. And if you're interested in miso soup to go with this dish, check out the video on the screen too. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.